Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is the turning point of a quadratic, the bottom or top of a parabola. Every quadratic has exactly one. By the end of this video you'll know how to find it by completing the square with no calculus needed. Definition. The turning point is the minimum or maximum point of a quadratic y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So if a is positive, the parabola opens upwards and the turning point is a minimum. If a is negative, the parabola opens downwards and the turning point is a maximum. One turning point per quadratic, always. Key insight: complete the square. Once you have the form y equals x plus p all squared plus q, the turning point sits at the coordinates minus p, q. The x-coordinate is the opposite of what's inside the bracket. The y-coordinate is the constant on the outside. Read them straight off. Common slip. The sign of the x-coordinate. X plus 3, all squared, has turning point at x equals minus 3, not plus 3. The bracket reaches its minimum when x plus 3 equals 0, which is at x equals minus 3. So always flip the sign. Quick example. Y equals x squared plus 6x plus 5. Complete the square. Equals x plus 3 all squared minus 9 plus 5. Equals x plus 3 all squared minus 4. Turning point at minus 3 minus 4. Minimum value is minus 4. Done.